candidate in you. And of course, ladies, we're very much excited to welcome you all mamaya sa welcome dinner sa formal event.
Nakalive ka ba?
Again, pwede po na mag-picture na with our media partners.
Any camera lang.
Miss Alexi, you think compared to Zuzubini Tonzi, the 30-day reign of Miss Universe, so how does it feel to be compared to her? It does give you a boost in your confidence or pressure ability, they say?
Well, to be compared to someone who did absolutely amazing in her life and a transformation, it felt very represented at first because knowing Miss Zuzubini Tunzi, she's someone with the same complexion as I do and someone who has the same, hairstyle that I do. So instead of me feeling bad about it, I felt represented that actually someone that looks like me, with a skin tone like me, can not only make it to Miss Universe, but win the competition. But so what I wanted to clear out to people is that they always thought that I was copying her, but I'm not. Diba gani gambal kita nga, we only live once. So why would you imitate someone or copy someone when you can be original? Si Alexi Brooks, she's someone who came from a different background. Si Alexi Brooks is, I was born and raised in the Philippines and palangga ako din ng Pilipinas and my fellow Ilonggos. So I hope that people would look at me more than my skin tone or my hair. Kasi my hair has been short 4 years ago pa. So before Miss Zuzubini Tunzi won the Miss Universe, so my hair has been short na. And the reason why my hair is only in the specific length, kasi in curly community or curly-haired people, our hair can only grow through a specific length. And also at the same time, my gender orientation, I feel more confident with my short hair, I feel more empowered, and I think it's important na kung ano ang mas makahappy sa atin, mas pilido natin, di ba? So I hope people will respect that, and I hope that they would, compliment me more instead of telling me na parang I'm an imitation or I'm copying someone, because I'm totally not.
Invitation na lang po sa mga fellow Ilonggos ninyo dito sa Sultan Kudarat.
To my fellow Ilonggos diri sa Sultan Kudarat, I just want to say nga salamat ka ni Anay. Kay kang ginapagabot namon, grabe ginang welcome. Everyone started speaking to me in Hiligaynon and I was so surprised na ay kanaan galing Hiligaynon. But I want you to continue supporting me, not only me, but to all the girls, we're here and I'm excited to experience more the Sultan Kudarat. So I hope that you watch our events, especially the national costumes, and I hope you cheer for me and all the girls. So kilitain lang kita tanan ka tamo kita
Girls,
salamat.
hindi ko na pwede tayo masasay na to, ha?
Bilang Ilonggo, anong mahambal mo sa mga Ilonggo? Okay lang.
Okay lang, of course.
Nangunguna o nagabalandra sa kung ang beauties ang Ilonggo from Iloilo.
Syempre, I'm very happy and excited na finally someone, we have Ilonggas nga representatives ang una, but this is the first time siguro nga may Black American kitang Ilongga and a native one, nga ako halin ako sa Leon. So I'm very happy and I feel very represented, not only kasi manu ako from Leon, and not only the Ilonggos people, but also here in Sultan Kudarat, knowing that we're sister cities. So I'm very excited, I'm very happy, and I hope that what I'm doing right now is not only making history, but creating a legacy and a pathway to those future generation and to future women that look like just like me, who wants to not only represent, but wants to win the competition. Salamat din. Thank you.
Pwede tayo ma-picture sa live lang? Ang dali lang. Pwede ba ma-picture dito?
Hi everyone. May request all the candidates to please go back here. And lahat po ng ating mga yung candidates na po muna, please. Please of team, sana yung photographers natin.
Ma'am Sharpsy,